Welcome to a video des ventilateurs du Québec. Here's a revisit of this Craftmade Decorative in polished brass finish with light oak blades that I originally acquired new in the box in September 2007. So it's now been 15 years since I had this fan. Since I've had it, I added a triple tulip light kit to it. It's got a metal tag on the switch housing for the brand. Here it is with the light on. And here it is on low speed. It's got a pretty nice low speed of about 55 RPMs, which is a little bit on the slow side for a mid-sized ceiling fan like this one. So a very nice low speed here. Not quite, I'm not sure I would consider this like an ecstatic low speed, but it's borderline between ecstatic and normal low. So it's very, very nice for winter use. It's a very quiet ceiling fan. The bearings are still in very, very good condition, although it's 15 years old now. And it's one of my most well-balanced ceiling fan, I would say. Now with the light off. Here's medium speed. Medium speed does about 120 RPMs, so again, a little bit on the slow side for a fan of this size. This is probably the speed I use the most on this fan. Very, very quiet. Although it only does about 120 RPMs, it already blows a good deal of air for the speed with these brackets pitched at 14 degrees. This helps a lot. Here it is with a Laiton on medium speed. Here it is again without the light kit. Here's high speed. It's very, very well balanced, as you can see. Very quiet. It does about 200 RPMs on high. Very good air movement. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this 15-year anniversary of this 2007 Craftmade Decorative, 107 centimeters, in polished brass finish with light oak blades, with and without light kit. Et voilà, j'espère que ça vous a plu, ce 15e anniversaire de ce Craftmade Decorative de 2007, 107 cm, fini Laiton Poli, avec pâle chêne pâle, montré avec et sans lumière. Thank you for watching. Merci d'avoir visionné.